Welcome to Consumer Pick. The best drum necklace is probably one of the most unique and eye-catching accessories you can add to your collection, blending the passion for music with personal style in a way that truly resonates. Imagine wearing a miniature, beautifully crafted drum, a symbol of rhythm and beats, right around your neck, sparking conversations and showcasing your love for percussion or simply your appreciation for distinctive jewelry. This isn't just an accessory, it's a statement piece that carries the energy of music with you wherever you go, making it a perfect gift for musicians, music lovers, or anyone who appreciates artistic and meaningful adornments. Number 5. U7 Men's Stainless Steel Pendant Necklaces. Discover our collection of stylish pendant necklaces designed for men. Each piece is crafted from durable stainless steel for a lasting impression. Choose from a variety of cool and distinctive designs. Whether you prefer a guitar pick, a dinosaur skeleton, or a gothic skull, we have the perfect pendant for you. These necklaces are made with high-quality stainless steel, ensuring they are both fashionable and resilient. They are built to withstand daily wear. Elevate any outfit with these eye-catching pendants. They are the ideal accessory to showcase your individual style and personality. Looking for a gift? These unique pendants make a thoughtful and stylish present for any man in your life. They come with a matching chain. From fierce alligators and dinosaurs to mysterious masks, our range offers something for everyone. Find the pendant that speaks to you. What we like? This option offers a wide array of unique and bold pendant designs, from gothic skulls to mythical creatures. If you appreciate a statement piece with a darker aesthetic, this is the perfect choice for you. Its robust stainless steel construction ensures it will last. What people say. My boyfriend liked this for our anniversary. We got locking necklaces and replaced the claw clips and stuff, which were also great. The skull faces down, sort of like looking downwards, which presents the custom letters better, but overall it looks cool either way. I recommend this. It's also pretty durable and I haven't seen any wear it all over time. The ONI pendant is heavy kind of, despite its tiny size. The build of this necklace is nice, the size is decent. Looks better in person. Like it was dredged up from the deeps off the Port of Innsmouth. I don't know what the base metal is, but it isn't magnetic at all. Number 4. Rock Drumstick Pendant Necklace. Introducing the Rock Drumstick Pendant Necklace, a stylish accessory for any music enthusiast. This unique piece is crafted for those who live and breathe the beat. Designed with a sleek stainless steel finish, it's built to last and complement any style. Show off your passion for drumming wherever you go. Looking for a gift that truly strikes a chord? This necklace makes an ideal present for drummers and music lovers alike. It's a gift that keeps on giving. Made from high-quality stainless steel, this pendant is resistant to tarnishing and wear. You can wear it daily, keeping your passion close to your heart. Let this pendant be a symbol of your dedication to the art of drumming. It's more than just jewelry, it's a statement of your musical identity. This necklace isn't just an accessory, it's a conversation starter. Its distinctive design is sure to turn heads and showcase your unique taste. What we like? This necklace features a classic drumstick pendant, ideal for any drummer or music enthusiast. If you're looking for a stylish yet understated way to show your passion for drumming, this is a great pick. It's crafted from durable stainless steel for everyday wear. What people say. He loves it because of the dark color and how well it goes with whatever he's wearing. He has worn it almost daily since getting it for Christmas, and it still looks brand new. The fact that it's stainless steel is great because it's hypoallergenic, will not rust with sweat or water. Number 3. CENWA Drumsticks Pendant Drum Kit Jewelry. Introducing a unique piece of jewelry designed for passionate drummers. It's a perfect way to showcase your love for percussion. This pendant features a miniature drum kit, symbolizing the rhythm and energy of drumming. Wear it proudly and let your musical spirit shine. Looking for a gift for a band member or percussionist? This eye-catching accessory is sure to be a hit among music enthusiasts. Made with attention to detail, this piece captures the essence of a drum kit. It's a stylish addition to any musician's collection. Whether you're a professional or a hobbyist, this pendant is a great reminder of your passion for drumming. It's a statement piece for any music lover. What we like? This piece showcases a detailed drum kit pendant, perfect for percussionists and band members. If you want to represent your love for the entire drum set, this is the one to consider. It makes an excellent gift for any drummer in your life. What people say. Bonito de tal para baterista, sencillo, y bien hecho. Bonito de tal para baterista. Number 2. Rock Drum Necklace. Introducing the Rock Drum Necklace, a unique piece designed for the passionate musician. This pendant captures the essence of your musical journey. Crafted from durable stainless steel, it's built to last. Show off your love for rhythm and beats with this stylish accessory. Looking for an unforgettable gift for the drummer in your life? This necklace is a thoughtful present that celebrates their passion. It's more than just jewelry, it's a statement of your musical identity. Wear your passion for music wherever you go. Made with high-quality stainless steel, this pendant is resistant to tarnish and wear. It's designed for everyday enjoyment. Let this drumstick pendant be a constant reminder of the power and energy you bring to the stage. It's the ultimate accessory for any drummer. What we like. Embrace your inner rock star with this drumstick pendant, designed for the modern drummer. If you're drawn to a cool, rock-inspired look, this necklace will complement your style perfectly. Made from stainless steel, it's built to withstand the energy of the stage. What people say. He's been wearing it every day. Great product. Nice design. Good quality. Excellent quality. Heavy and the chain is thick. Stainless steel, very nicely made. Look silver. Details on the side of the drum are really nice. Number 1. Claddagh Gold Sterling Silver Drumsticks Pendant Necklace. Introducing a beautifully crafted pendant, perfect for any music lover. This unique charm captures the essence of musical passion. Made from genuine .925 sterling silver, this piece offers lasting shine and durability. It's a testament to quality craftsmanship. The pendant features a detailed 3D design of drumsticks, bringing a dynamic feel to your jewelry. It's a striking representation of your love for rhythm. Choose between the pendant alone or select your preferred chain length. This offers flexibility to suit your personal style. It makes an ideal gift for musicians, drummers, or anyone who appreciates fine, themed jewelry. Give the gift of music and style. What we like. This exquisite pendant is crafted from genuine .925 sterling silver, offering a premium feel. If you prefer the elegance of real silver and a detailed 3D drumstick design, this is an outstanding option. You can also customize the chain length to suit your preference. What people say. Very nice quality charm. Having the sticks cross together, they definitely look like drumsticks. Yes, the sticks are thin, but they feel strong. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.